Struggling to save money no matter how hard you try? You're not alone. But what if I told you saving money fast doesn't mean sacrificing everything you love? In today's video, we're diving into 10 smart hacks that actually work and can help you stack your savings faster than ever. Welcome to Master Money Moves. Let's get into it. First things first, automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking to your savings account every time you get paid. Even if it's just $10, the key is consistency. You'll be surprised how fast it adds up when it's out of sight. Next is the 24-hour rule. Before buying something non-essential, wait 24 hours. Chances are, you'll realize you don't need it. This simple pause can prevent a ton of impulse spending. Go through your subscriptions. Are you really watching all those streaming services? Cancel the ones you barely use. Tools like Rocket Money or manual tracking can help you cut down fast. Try the cash stuffing method. Withdraw a fixed amount of cash each month and divide it into envelopes for groceries, fun, gas, you name it. When the envelope's empty, that category is done. It's a game changer for controlling spending. Eating out drains your wallet fast. Challenge yourself to cook at home for 2 weeks. You'll save a ton, and probably eat healthier too. Use round-up savings apps. Every time you buy something, they round up your purchase and save the spare change. You won't notice the difference, but your savings account will. Unfollow influencers or brands that constantly tempt you to spend. Out of sight, out of mind. It's easier to save when you're not bombarded with limited time offers every 5 minutes. Set a clear goal, like saving $1,000 in 3 months. Break it down weekly, and track your progress. Having a reason behind your budget makes it easier to stay committed. Look around, what's collecting dust? Old electronics, clothes, furniture. Sell them. Platforms like eBay or Facebook Marketplace can help you turn clutter into cash. Try a no-spend challenge for 1 week. No extras, just the basics. It's a great reset and helps you become more mindful of where your money goes. Saving money doesn't have to be hard, it just takes intention and the right habits. Start with 2 to 3 of these hacks this week and watch your bank account grow. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more money saving tips every week. And let us know in the comments, which hack are you trying first? This is Master Money Moves, and your financial glow up starts now.